So, Battalion Chief Carroll, what happened this morning? I understand it started, you got a call about a man on a sidewalk here?
Yeah, so we had a medical in front of this location about 7:30 this morning. Fire department and EMS arrived on scene, transported the patient. It was later determined that that patient had high levels of CO.
Was he unconscious on the sidewalk?
He was unconscious on the sidewalk. Upon going into the building, we had high levels of CO.
You mean you monitored, you went in with monitors?
Correct, we went over their meters. At the door we had high levels. We evacuated the building, the surrounding buildings, which are all, the whole building's owned by Yale. There's construction work going on in part of it, and there's Yale offices in another part. We all wear our fire gear, our PPE, self-contained breathing apparatus to give us protection from what we're breathing. So they went through, metered, and found the source. The source was shut down, and we began to ventilate to drop the levels.
What was the source?
It was a propane saw, we believe, is what they were using inside. The fresh air that they were bringing in and the air they were blowing out wasn't sufficient for what
What were the combination of conditions that made this problematic?
Normally in a working site like this, when they're using gas-powered tools, there should be monitoring because they're being used inside the building. You want to have proper ventilation. You want to have also air monitoring for the quality of air. The ventilation might have been hampered by the low temperatures outside, which caused the gases not to move or not to be able to leave once the ventilation started, and then not having the monitoring, the CO, members became exposed to carbon monoxide, which caused one gentleman this morning to become unconscious outside.
Right now we're working with officials to try to get things squared away and make sure everything's safe and secure.